Tutorial 7, Dashboard's Actions Demonstration. This video introduces the toolbar options in the Analytics portal that allows you to interact with the dashboard. It's worth noting that the available options in the toolbar depending on the user's permissions. The toolbar is typically below the navigation path and above the dashboard itself. There are two main sections of this toolbar. The first part on the left contains undo, redo, revert, refresh, and pause. The second part includes ask data, view, alerts, metrics, subscribe, edit, share, download, comments, and full screen. This video will only explain some of these actions. You can find complete descriptions for all of these actions in the tutorial PDF document. Number 1, revert. If you apply a filter, you can use revert to clear the filter you just chose. Number 2, pause. Pause controls whether Tableau updates the view when changes are made. When selecting multiple filters, it may be helpful to pause updates until you have completed your selections. For example, if you've chosen multiple filters at the same time and use pause, you don't need to wait for the screen to refresh every time you change the filter. You can finish all of your filter selections and click resume. This will help you save time when applying multiple filters, as Tableau has a tendency to load after filter selections. Number 3, ask data. Ask data can help you to ask questions of any published data source and get answers in the form of a visualization. These are some pre-populated questions that can help you to think about your own questions. For example, you can click this one and it will give you the answer to the question. Number 4, metrics. Metrics can help you track data points from any number of dashboards in a single location. If you click this metrics button, you can select a mark to create a metric. For example, if you choose this value as a mark and click create, you will create a metric for the mark you just chose. Number 5, edit. This action is used to edit dashboards and layouts. However, you may not have access to save your edits depending on your permission level. Number 6, share. This action can help you to create a link to share with a colleague who must have access to the workbook and Tableau server. You can enter a username here or use this link to share. Number 7, download. You can use this action to download an image, data, crosstab, PDF, or the Tableau workbook itself. It depends on what kind of permission you have for which of these options are available. Tutorial 8 will introduce other important features that help you navigate the Analytics portal.